Hello guys, live po tayo guys. Dito tayo ngayon, kukuha tayo ng biyahe. Ito po yung aking kabayo guys. So ito po yung aking toys. So ito, iikot ko kayo, ipasyal ko kayo. So ito po yung buhay ng biyahero guys. So naka-ready na po yung ating money page, ang ating documents, ang truck, tablets, logbook. And this is the checklist for pre-trip. And this is the bill of lading. And you know, everything is here. And this is the number of the truck, you know, the trailer, I hope. And also this is the logbook, tablets, and the key inside, everything, the documents of the truck. And this is my car, okay. So and this is all my things I'm eating, all my foods, everything, my clothes, okay guys. And also here, this is my service. So I'm here now inside my company. I'm taking now these parts, everything, documents. So I'm waiting now my truck inside the workshop to change the new tire. So I'm here now. I show you the surrounding of my yard, the parking truck guys, okay. So I hope you like it. So show ko kayo sa paligid, okay. Okay guys, how are you everyone? God is good all the time, okay. So tour guide ko kayo. Ito po yung ating kapaligiran, yan po, kita nyo guys. So welcome guys, welcome. Okay, welcome. So ito po yung ating kapaligiran ng yard. So napakaganda po ng yard namin guys. Ito po, ayan. So ito guys, medyo may problema yung isang trailer na aksidente po. Ayan po, kita nyo, tinalian lang, aksidente po yan. Sa hindi naman perfecto lahat ng driver, hindi mo iwasan, madulas, malakas ang hangin, may snow. So ayan po, pero okay lang, walang problema, it's okay. That is part of job, because all people are not a perfect man, okay. So okay, I show you the surrounding of the yard. This is the truck of my company surrounding. So this is the parking, the yard, okay guys. So everything is here, my truck. That is the neighbor of my company. This is the old tanker trailer, that is the neighbor of my company. So this is the fence, the wall, the border of the neighbor, okay. So this is the trailer in my company, see that guys. So thank you for watching. So ikot-ikot lang po tayo, ayan po guys. So show ko lang sa inyo yung surrounding. So I hope you will like it, okay. So this is the yard. So ito po yung mga parkingan namin, paradahan. So salamat guys, thank you for watching guys, okay. This is all trucks of my company guys. So I'm here now, I'm waiting now, okay. So I hope you like it. It's enough to show you the surrounding here, very nice looking, okay. So thank you very much for watching guys. Bye bye, see you again guys, okay. Bye bye. Oh sorry, my phone is dropped. Bye bye, see you again, God bless you. Okay, mabuhay.